What's going on, guys? Welcome to my channel Radiant Tech and welcome to another coding video. In this video we'll be making this flashlight app. Okay, we'll be using extension. So here you can see, if you scroll over in this components, you get extension. Here what you'll have to do is you'll have to click on import extension. So this works only on your computer. So I have already put this extension. It's called Typhoon Flashlight. It's in Pura Veja apps. So link for that website is in the description below. You can download this file from there. It's AIX file. Okay, so what you'll have to do is just drag and drop it over here. Okay, so I'll just have to upload some files. I'll tell you what's that. So guys, here I have uploaded two files. This is on.png. So it's like you'll have to touch on it. Once you touch on that, once you click that, it will do like means like the button will change. Okay, so I'll tell you how to do that. Instead of that button, you can use a image also, but here I'll be using a button. Put a notifier and a button over here. I will keep the width as fill parent and height can be 50%. Okay, so the text will be, instead of that picture you can use on, off and stuff, but here I'll be using the picture, guys. Okay, here I'll just rounded. No, instead of rounded, can we use oval? All right, let's use rounded only. And image will be, by default image will be on, guys. Okay, so yeah, it's 50%. It's not good. I'll make it fill parent, guys. Okay, fine, no problem. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so now go to blocks. When screen one dot initialize, Typhoon Flashlight, here take this and go to logic, this one, go to control, and this one. Okay, yeah, so if this, if logic true, sorry, it's not true, it's false, then notifier one show alert notice. Oh, why is it like that? It's just going up, guys, I'm really sorry. Show alert notice. So I'll type and I will come back, guys. So yeah, you can see over here, then notifier one show alert notice, this device does not have a flash. Okay, you can do another way also, but here you can write flashlight not available on this device, and also, or if you want you can do it like this, anything is fine. Okay, here you can just delete this if you want. Actually both, oh sorry, I just duplicated it. Actually, if I have to say, guys, both are the same. Okay, there is no difference in them, so it's your wish, guys. However you want to do, you can do that. So yeah, now this one, actually there's a small mistake, guys. I'm really sorry for that. So I'll just delete this. Yeah, so I will tell you what you'll have to do. Yeah, uh see, guys, if button one image is equals to off.jpg, set button one dot image to on.jpg. So here it should be like this. Okay, yeah, there's a small change. Yeah, so there's a small change. So if then block, then else, set button one dot image to off dot jpg. Okay, So it's not off.jpg, guys. It's on.jpg over. No, wait a second. Okay, button one image is equals to on.png. Yeah, yeah. It's duplicate this and delete this. So yeah, our app is done. So this device does not have a flash, guys. So instead of just using the notifier, you can also use text to speech. Yeah. So this device does not have a flash. So let's see what happens in this. So I have installed it. See, guys, you can see this device does not have a flash. See, so as this device does not have a flash, it just actually we should have done like disable this button. Okay, so I'm on my tablet which does not have a flash. Okay, you can see here the button just works, but when the screen one initializes, it just gives a message. So guys, now I will show you a device which has a flash, and let's see how it works. Okay, guys. So yeah, so this device which you're seeing over here has a flash. Over here you can see. So guys, I can't show you the front screen and the back screen at the same time, as this device does not support any screen recording app. So here I will turn this on. So the flashlight is also on in this device. Okay, so I will turn this off. See, guys, um yeah, it's like that. So yeah, it works pretty well. There is totally no problem in this. You can see, guys, there is totally no problem in this. So guys, that's it for this coding video, and I'm gonna meet you in my next video.